Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today in this video we are going to make these nice peacock feathers which can be used as toran, wall hanging, or if you want to add them to the borders of blankets, baby blankets, or if you are making doilies, or even if you are making covers for your chairs or the corner tables. So enjoy learning. The things that we require for the project are yarn of 3 shades of blue color, yarn of orange color, yarn of yellow color, and a yarn of green color, a pair of scissors, a thread and needle, and few small bells, and a hook of 9 mm. So let's begin. We are going to begin the pattern with this shade of blue color. First of all, we have to make slip knot. Now yarn over, pull the yarn out, yarn over, pull the yarn out. These are 2 chains, 3, 4, 5. Insert the hook in and the yarn out. We have added these stitches into the first chain. If you want to learn the basics of the crocheting, I'll give you the link in the description box. Just click on the link and you will be able to learn the basics of crocheting. Now chain 1, 2, 3, which will work as a double crochet, yarn over. There are 3 loops on the hook. 1, 2. This is called double crochet. We have to make 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
I'm Just Good by Joni Grimes.
9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So we have made 30 double crochet, and this is the first one. So there are 40 stitches. Now cut the yarn from here and tie it tightly with the knot. Now we will add another shade of blue color here. This is a comparatively darker tone of the color. Now again slip knot like this. Now we have to make single crochet just to begin the pattern. Now 1, 2, 3 double crochet, and in each stitches below we have to make 2 double crochet. 1, 2, 1, 2,
Dreamland by Jonas Schmidt.
1, 2. Now complete the round following the same pattern. 2 stitches in each stitch below. This is how we have completed a circle. Now we will add a yarn of lighter shade of blue color to the pattern. For this we have to make single crochet. 1,
Funky Souls by
2.
Amaria.
Now yarn over, hook in the middle of the circle, inside out,
Polaroid by
double
Extends.
crochet. Now single crochet, 1, yarn over, hook inside the circle, pull the yarn out, 2,
Dreams
single
by
crochet,
Fireflies.
1, yarn over, insert the hook in the middle of the circle, pull the yarn out and double crochet, 3. Again single
Dolce
crochet,
Vita
1,
by Payrouse.
yarn over, insert the hook, pull the yarn out, double crochet, 4, single crochet, 1, yarn over, insert the
Birds
hook
by Scandinavians.
between the circle, double crochet 5. Now single crochet 1. Now we have to keep on doing single crochet till we
Fantasy
reach
by Declan DP.
the top of the pattern. Keep on doing single crochet on each stitch that we did previously.
Lioness Instrumental by Dayfox.
Now when we have reached this point, we have to make half double crochet first, yarn over,
Feather by
double
Waywell.
crochet 1, in the same stitch double crochet 2. Now we have reached the top, yarn over 2 times. We have to make treble crochet here, 1, yarn over
Be
2
the
times
One.
in the
Feet
same
and Egg
stitch,
by Vendretti.
treble crochet 2, yarn over 2 times again, and treble crochet 3.
With You by Declan DP.
Now we have to make double crochet 1, 2 in the next stitch. Now we have to make a half double crochet.
Atlantis by Scandinavians.
Now we have to continue making single crochet on each stitch below to complete the round.
Good Morning by Amin Maxwell.
Now we have completed the round. Join the stitches here with slip stitch, and with the knot
Dream by Brave Lion.
we complete the round. Now we have to add
Tropical
another
Traveler by
color to
Dal.
the pattern. Now we'll add this yarn of orange color to the pattern. At first we'll begin from here with
Still
Slip
Awake
knot.
by Ghost Drifter.
now chain 1, 2. Now we have to make double crochet on each stitch below till we reach the
Hot
top of
Coffee by
the
Ghost Drifter.
pattern. Keep doing single double crochet in each stitch below. Now we have reached this point.
The Things That Keep Us Here by Scott Buckley.
Yarn over 2 times. Here we have to make triple crochet 1, yarn over 2 times, treble crochet 2, yarn over 2 times,
Teddy by Lockspeeds.
treble crochet 3, yarn over 2 times, treble crochet 4. Now again
Mosaic by
we have to
Lahar.
make double crochet and complete the round by making double crochet on each stitch below till the end of the round.
No
When we have
Prayers
completed
by
the
Brokey
pattern,
DJ.
we'll cut the yarn from here and now we will add the yarn of yellow color to the pattern.
Spiral by KB.
Slip knot first. Now from here we have to do single crochet on each stitch that we did
Coming
previously.
Home by Liquid and Dayfox.
Keep on doing single crochet on each stitch below
Fog by
till the end
Dizarro.
of the round. This is how we have completed 5th round of the pattern. Now we will add the yarn of this color,
River by Music by Aiden.
slip knot, and 1, 2, 3 chains. Again in the next stitch, single crochet
First
1,
Class by Payrouse.
chain 3. single crochet, 1, 2, 3, again single crochet.
Snowfall by Scott
Keep on
Buckley.
repeating the pattern till you complete the round, following the same pattern of doing single
Through My
crochet
Eyes,
and
instrumental
chain
by Mike
3
Leet.
till you complete all the stitches of the round 6. This is how the pattern will appear when it will be completed. Now the next step is to add few bells here,
Mexicana en Lele by Legan.
because if you are making a wall hanging or a door hanging without a little bells like this, I think the pattern would look incomplete. So take needle and thread,
Let You Go, instrumental
tie
by
these bells
Spectrum.
here nicely with small stitches so that they could not appear like this.
City Life by Artificial Music.
Now
Mary
the
Bay
pattern
by
is complete.
Ghostscriptor.
Add these bells in the same way here on the peaks of the motif. This is how the bells are added to the feathers. Now what we have to do, we have to take the yarn of
Mrs. Cesara
orange
by
color
Rox Beats.
and again a slip knot. We have to make 60 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Sunset Tree by
Now
Aline
make another
Maxwell.
55 chains to complete the cord. So we have made 60 chains. Now 3 more chains. 1, 2, 3. Skip these 3
Easily by
chains.
Joni
In the fourth
Grimes.
one we have to make double crochet. 1, 2, 3. Now we have to
We
add
Are Here by Declan
this
DP.
pattern here, slip knot. Now we have to continue making double crochet, one, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. We have made 24 double crochet. Now after making these, in the 25th one we have to join the pattern with slip stitch here, and now again we have to continue making double crochet till we reach, or when these 5 chains would be left. Now when 5 stitches would be left, we will add this motif to this double crochet, which is meant for hanging on the walls or above the door. Now we will complete making double crochet till we reach the point where we have started. Like this. This is how we have made nice wall hanging or a entrance door hanging with these peacock feathers. Thank you so much.